Yeah, dude, one last time.
Ow. Oh. That really hurt. I just felt like I was giving birth. Sorry. Oh, it's still rolling. Hey guys, Booth Under 650 here, bringing you another episode of The Big Dig, episode 12. Money, 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 ain't it funny? In a D-Tech school. Hello guys, yearbook is going to get more expensive December 22nd. It is going to go from $40 to $45. Formal is on January 19th. It's going to be at 7 p.m. at the Bayview Dining Hall. So buy your tickets. This is the last time to buy them. Do you want a song to go be played at Formal? Look at the forum. The link is in the description, or right. Actually, I think it's right here. Haha. Now the editing people have to put it right where I put my hands. So, hey guys, I just wanted to let you know why you guys should click this form and have your parents fill it out, because we need chaperones for Formal. Bob Ross? Oh, you didn't hear? There's a new Bob Ross wall by the Teacher's Lounge. It's for, you can pay into the guy's videos. You can put your paint up there. You can put all your happy little accidents up there. You know, draw whatever you want. Everyone's included. Make it happy, everything, you know. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh, by jolly, have a holly golly Christmas this year. Yeah, you guessed it. There are new articles and old articles from the print edition on the website now. So check them out. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, retweet, re-Instagram, Facebook it, MySpace, snail mail, Snapchat, carrier pigeon, lights, the bat signal, airplanes. Are you confused about what to get your lover this Christmas or holiday? Well, fear not, because Jasmine Texador, policewoman, ghost, and gamer girl has written a brand new article just for you about 6 hot new objects to buy your lover on Christmas Day. Whoa there, buckaroo. What are you doing here, procrastinating and watching TBD? Do you have a case of the end of the semester blues? Well, Jessica Baggett wrote all about the end of the semester blues and procrastination in her new article on the Dragon. So go and check it out. Simply type it away in your URL. That's all for Dragon articles. The script actually said for me to improv at this point, but what's crazy is that I've never improv'd everything. Every time you've talked to me, every interaction that you've ever had with me is entirely scripted. We heard your feedback, and we're giving you what you want. Benji. And Jaren?
Hi, I'm Jaren, and I like to have fun.
Hi, I am Benji, and I like to have fun.
Today, we are learning how to make snowflakes out of paper. Benji, go get the dead trees. Step 1, you're gonna wanna fold your paper into a square, and you can do that by folding it diagonally like this, and then making a nice, solid crease along the edge. Now what you're gonna do is get your Benji to give you some scissors. And you're gonna slice along this little bit of excess. Yeah!
Now fold the triangle in half. Then fold it in half once again. Hurrah! Aye! Time to shape it.
Yeah.
While shaping your snowflake, it is important to note the cuts you are making. You must follow the theory of minimalism. Do not make more cuts than you need, only do what is beautiful and right. Now, let's take a look at the finished product, Jaren. It has taken Jaren and I years to become masters of this art. But you can imitate us in only a few short minutes and come up with a product similar to this. You may ask yourself, how did we get to this point? Well, we don't know. Okay, well, that's it for today, folks. And as always, thanks for watching. I guess...
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button. Also, if you didn't like this episode of TBD, which I don't even know why we include that in the script because everybody loves this episode of TBD, but if you did, the link will be in the description below. Don't forget to follow TBD on all other social media accounts, and don't forget to subscribe to the best YouTube channel ever created, December 25th, 2013, Blue Thunder Crew, bit.ly/Blue Thunder Crew. Get me to 1 subscriber because I make really good videos. Well, I mean, that's all for this week, bros. Be sure to check out next semester with Season 2 of TBD.
You actually take a fight!
Like and subscribe.